What is more excited than throwing car parts to your car, guys? Alright, let's go to work. Yes, it is locally made from Indonesia. As for this top part right here, I'm just going to leave it stock as it is already hardened plastic. So there's no point for me to replace that to stainless steel. Alright viewers, if you guys can see right here, this is the rubber hose that we are going to be replacing it with the stainless steel intercooler pipes. Okay, and this is for the other side. There it is. Okay guys, so we ran into a slight problem with this side of piping. It doesn't fit, so we have to do slight modifications to it by removing this elbow right here as well as the top part right here. Okay, let's go ahead and do the modification. Alright, so I'd like to do a little bit of review on this upgrade. So what I found out after installing this intercooler pipes, there's a slight changes in the intake sound, and also at the low RPM it's just more instant. The power is there, and I'll say this upgrade is a win. And the fun part is, listen to this, the turbo whistle. Alright, so now that we have completed the install, just to give you guys an idea before you jump into this type of mods, let's take a look at the pros and cons of upgrading to metal intercooler piping. So, the pros. It does definitely improve the car performance, providing consistent and unrestricted flow, and the boost means less boost lags. And with the metal piping, it offers superior durability compared to the rubber piping hose. It can withstand higher temperature and maintain steady boost under pressure. whereas the rubber hose are prone to degrade over time and tends to expand, and the boost means we can feel the boost lags. And lastly, for the aesthetic, it does looks good under the engine bay. And now I would like to add the cons. So with metal piping, it can absorb and retain heat from the engine bay, aka heat soak, potentially leads to power loss after long driving due to the warm air passing through the intercooler system. And also, metal piping requires precise fitting and a lot of customization for the perfect fitment. And so next time, if you like to do this type of upgrade, please do consider your time and the information I have given. Alrighty guys, and that is all for today's video. I hope you find this video useful, and please do consider support this channel by subscribing, like this video, and share it to your friends and family. And I will see you again on the next one. Peace.